Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how to publish your Lovable AI app on the App Store in 2026 and get it ready for iPhone users easily. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To publish your Lovable AI app, first, you must go to your Lovable, and if you have published your app already, you can simply copy the link and go to median.co. And after going here, you can just paste and build your app. Put in the details and start building my app. After clicking build the app, now you can go and build and download. Make sure that you would be clicking on the iOS IPA to build, since this is an iOS app. Now, after building the iOS IPA one, you can go to Apple Developer. In here, make sure that you have your subscription ready, that you are paying annually to Apple. If so, you can simply go to the plus icon and then hit the My Apps, and then you can now submit and fill in the details for them to be reviewed by Apple. It would take at least 1 to 3 business days, and after that, your app is published. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.